Unit 20. Sounds and intonations. Friend. Gather. Listener. Surprise. Gossip. Share. Hey, why do you look so happy? I'll tell you a secret. What is it? We want to know. I'm going to get married this June. Tell. Secret. Whisper. Concentrate. Transfixed. Unbelievable. Generation. Teen. Yell. Nag. Close. Tolerate. Peak. Husband. Wife. Glance. Snapshot. Asleep. Tone. Intonation. Pronounce. Exclamation. Interjection. Loud. Low. Sound. Lower your voice, please. It's impolite to talk loudly in public areas. Can we stop fighting and deal with this issue peacefully? Your voice is too high-pitched. He has suffered from aphasia since he was young. Mother told a story in a soft voice. From your intonation, I can tell you are very happy. Don't yell too loudly. What's wrong with your voice? That girl has a sweet voice. Stop talking to me with such a picky tone in your voice. I think I don't catch your point. You have a beautiful voice. Why don't you work as a voice actor? I love Louis Armstrong's hoarse voice. Speak gently. Don't shout at me. I didn't do anything wrong. My dad warned me not to hang out with friends in the evening. Why do you like to brag about how well you performed? Your whispery voice scared me just now. Never use that incredulous tone with me again. Have you ever dubbed a movie? Do you sing soprano in the choir? How should I know that the noise is over the regular decibel level? Can you figure out who is talking now? What's the meaning of your tone? Give me a definite answer. Please do not doubt my words. Be patient when talking with young kids and senior citizens. Don't rail against your work. You sing songs beautifully.